Bathroom. You go to the bathroom. You use the bathroom. You clean the bathroom. You remodel the bathroom. A large bathroom. A tiny bathroom. A public bathroom. A downstairs bathroom. An upstairs bathroom. A private bathroom. My brother's house has 2 bedrooms and a large bathroom. My brother's house has 2 bedrooms and a large bathroom. Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? I have to go to the bathroom. I have to go to the bathroom. This is a toilet. Toilet. Toilet seat. Toilet bowl. On the toilet. On the toilet. I was on the toilet when you called me. I was using the toilet. Flush the toilet. The kids forgot to flush the toilet. The kids forgot to flush the toilet. Flush something down the toilet. I flushed my ring down the toilet. I flushed my ring down the toilet. Shower. The shower is running in the bathroom. The shower is running in the bathroom. Take a shower. Take a shower. A quick shower. A relaxing shower. A hot shower. A cold shower. I usually take a shower after exercising. I usually take a shower after exercising. Bathtub or tub. The bathtub is perfect for a relaxing soak. The bathtub is perfect for a relaxing soak. Sink. A bathroom sink. A kitchen sink. Wash your hands in the sink. Wash your hands in the sink. Mirror. Bathroom mirror. I check my hair in the mirror. I check my hair in the mirror. Bathroom door. Close the bathroom door. Faucet. Bathroom faucet. Turn off the faucet after washing your hands. Turn off the faucet after washing your hands. Floor. Bathroom floor. Wipe the bathroom floor to prevent slipping. Wipe the bathroom floor to prevent slipping. Toilet brush. Toilet brush. Use the toilet brush to clean the bowl. Use the toilet brush to clean the bowl. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. The toilet paper is on the roll. The toilet paper is on the roll. Shower gel. Shower gel. I use shower gel to clean my body in the shower. I use shower gel to clean my body in the shower. Body wash. Body wash. The body wash smells nice. The body wash smells nice. Face wash. Face wash. I wash my face with a gentle face wash every night. I wash my face with a gentle face wash every night. Shampoo. A bottle of shampoo. A carpet shampoo. An anti-dandruff shampoo. You need to buy a different shampoo. You need to buy a different shampoo. The verb shampoo means to wash something with shampoo. Example: I shampoo my dog once a month. I shampoo my dog once a month. Conditioner. Conditioner. Use conditioner after shampooing. Use conditioner after shampooing. Soap. Soap. A bar of soap. Liquid soap. Grab the soap to wash your hands. Grab the soap to wash your hands. Soap dish. Place the soap in the soap dish. Place the soap in the soap dish. Towel. I dry my hand with a towel. I dry my hand with a towel. The verb towel means to rub something with a towel to dry it. Example: I toweled my hair dry after washing it. I toweled my hair dry after washing it. Towel rack. Hang the towel on the rack. Hang the towel on the rack. Bath sheet. A bath sheet is larger than a regular towel. A bath sheet is larger than a regular towel. Razor. Razor. Mike used a razor to shave his beard this morning. Mike used a razor to shave his beard this morning. Shower curtain. Shower curtain. The shower curtain needs to be washed. The shower curtain needs to be washed. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. I use a hair dryer to dry my hair. I use a hair dryer to dry my hair. Bath mat. Bath mat. The bath mat prevents slipping. The bath mat prevents slipping. Loofah. Loofah. Scrub your skin with a loofah. Scrub your skin with a loofah. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. I wear a bathrobe after my shower. I wear a bathrobe after my shower. Bathroom shelf. Bathroom shelf. The shampoo is on the bathroom shelf. The shampoo is on the bathroom shelf. Bath toys. Bath toys. My kids have bath toys in the tub. My kids have bath toys in the tub. Body lotion. Body lotion. I use body lotion to keep my skin soft. I use body lotion to keep my skin soft. Shower head. Shower head. Help me adjust the shower head. Help me adjust the shower head. Soap dispenser. Soap dispenser. Press the soap dispenser for liquid soap. Press the soap dispenser for liquid soap. Toothbrush. Don't forget your toothbrush when you travel. Don't forget your toothbrush when you travel. toothpaste. Squeeze the toothpaste on the toothbrush. Squeeze the toothpaste on the toothbrush. Mouthwash. Rinse with mouthwash for a fresh breath. Rinse with mouthwash for a fresh breath. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Apply hand sanitizer to kill germs. Apply hand sanitizer to kill germs. Bathroom scale. Bathroom scale. Check your weight on the bathroom scale. Check your weight on the bathroom scale. Shaving foam. Apply shaving foam before shaving. Apply shaving foam before shaving. Shaving brush. Shaving brush. I used a shaving brush to lather my face. I used a shaving brush to lather my face. Tissue box. Tissue box. I grabbed a tissue from the box. I grabbed a tissue from the box. Cotton swab. Cotton swab. Bath bomb. Bath bomb. I dropped a bath bomb in the tub. I dropped a bath bomb in the tub. Shower cap. Shower cap. Put a shower cap to keep your hair dry. Put a shower cap to keep your hair dry. Toilet lid. Toilet lid. Close the toilet lid after flushing. Close the toilet lid after flushing. Plunger. Plunger. The plunger is in the corner. The plunger is in the corner. Slippers. Slippers. I put on my slippers and bathrobe. I put on my slippers and bathrobe. Comb. Comb. Comb your hair after washing it. Comb your hair after washing it. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. I always keep my hairbrush in my bag. I always keep my hairbrush in my bag. Deodorant. Deodorant. I apply deodorant after my shower. I apply deodorant after my shower. Perfume. Perfume. I spray perfume before going out. I spray perfume before going out. Trash can. Trash can. Throw the tissue in the trash can. Throw the tissue in the trash can. Bobby pin. Bobby pin. Where are my bobby pins? Where are my bobby pins? Hair tie. Hair tie. I like your blue hair tie. I like your blue hair tie. Tweezers. Tweezers. The tweezers are on the shelf. The tweezers are on the shelf. Nail clippers. Nail clippers. I always carry nail clippers in my bag. I always carry nail clippers in my bag. Nail file. Nail file. I need to buy a new nail file. I need to buy a new nail file. Hair gel. Hair gel. He styles his hair with hair gel. He styles his hair with hair gel. Face mask. Face mask. I want to try a new face mask tonight. I want to try a new face mask tonight. Straightener, straightener. Can I use your straightener? Can I use your straightener? Hair curler, hair curler. Use a hair curler for soft waves. Use a hair curler for soft waves.